Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way to add a contact form to Google Sites. To get started, scroll down to the description below this video and click on the first link provided. This will take you to JotForm, a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes. JotForm offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize your forms. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the process of creating and managing forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up in JotForm. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or using your email address. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your JotForm account. Now, to add a contact form to Google Sites, the first step is to create a contact form in JotForm. Click on the Create Form button either at the center or top left side of the JotForm dashboard. You'll be presented with 4 options: Start from Scratch, Use Template, Import Form, and Create Signable Document. For this tutorial, we'll select the Use Template option to use a pre-built template. In the template library, search for the keyword Contact and choose a contact form template that suits your needs. Once you've selected a template, click on the Use Template option and you'll be taken to the editor. In the editor, you can customize the template if desired, but for this tutorial, we'll proceed with embedding the form into Google Sites. To do this, click on the Publish section in JotForm to copy the embed code of your form. To embed your form in Google Site, simply click on the Embed section in the left menu. Here, click on the Copy Code button to copy the code. Once you've copied the code, you can embed it into your Google Site. Now, open Google Sites by searching for it in the search bar and clicking on the first link that appears. Once on the Google site, you can open your existing site or create a new one. We have our existing site, so we will click on it. Once clicked, you will be taken to the editor. In the Site Editor, go to the right sidebar and click on the Insert section, then select Embed from the options. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the Embed Code option and paste the embed code you copied from JotForm. Click Next and the form will be fetched and displayed. Adjust the form settings according to your requirements and then click Save. To finalize the process, click on the Publish button at the top right side to save the changes. Now, your JotForm contact form will be embedded into your Google site. And there you have it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my JotForm tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.